Don't quit, don't stop. When we do, we are denying the greatest success of all, which is resilience. And when we are resilient, we are able to get through any challenge that is put in front of us. And today we're going to explore how you can shift that energy of feeling it's time to give up to I can do this. And we do this with the Ring the Bell card from the Oracle of the Lake deck. And it's actually not about ringing the bell and ending the fight, if you will. It's about realigning with earth energy. This is earth, right? We've got lots of earth there. Strong, connected to who you are energy. When we connect to our physical knowing and being of strength, we connect to resiliency, we connect to courage, and we grow and we step forward with confidence. So it is about celebrating and ringing the bell. So that alignment, that shift in energy goes from, oh, I need to quit to, oh my gosh, let's celebrate who I am, the resilient person, and step forward and continue on with faith and trust. That's what this card is showing you when it shows up for you. Ask yourself, where can I be more resilient? What energy can I shift into to embrace that and embody that? And ring the bell of success for yourself and celebrate who you are. Celebrate that by reading more about this in the description below and linking to this kind of energy through all of the cards in the Oracle of the Lake deck by clicking the link there. And we're still going strong with these cards. I'll be back.